NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? She got home cooked meals, turn up the heat. A little bit of dessert, it won't hurt. Let's get the cooking with Nana, the expert.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making a spaghetti and meatball loaf. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 24 ounces of your favorite pasta sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, ground black pepper, parsley flakes, Italian seasoning. I'm using thin spaghetti, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 pound of ground beef, 2 tablespoons of sugar, which is optional, 1/2 of an onion diced, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 large garlic cloves minced. I'm using 12 to 14 frozen homestyle meatballs, and also 1 loaf of Italian bread. Next, I'll show you the ingredients for our butter garlic sauce. The ingredients that we're going to need for our butter garlic sauce is 1 stick of butter. I'm using salted butter, 6 garlic cloves minced, 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1/2 teaspoon of parsley flakes. For our Italian bread, as you can see, I cut all around the middle, and we're just going to remove it and hollow out the inside. When you're done, your bread should look like this. You can set your bread to the side. Now to a pot, we're going to add in our pasta sauce. Now to our pasta sauce, we're going to add in our meatballs. You want to add just enough meatballs that you're going to put on top of your spaghetti, and we'll be adding ground beef in also. Once you have your meatballs in, give it a stir. These are already fully cooked, so we're going to let them simmer for 10 to 12 minutes on low heat. You can place your lid over top. Now to my saucepan over medium heat, we're going to add in our 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You want that to come to temperature. We're going to add in our onion. We're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic. Let that saute for 1 minute. Now we're going to add in our ground beef. Okay guys, now I'm going to go ahead and season my meat with some garlic powder. And guys, season yours the way that you like it. I'm going to use some onion powder, also some adobo all-purpose seasoning, just a little bit, and my ground black pepper. Combine it. All the seasoning is through your ground beef, and we're going to continue to cook it until all our meat is brown. Once your ground beef is done cooking, turn off your heat. You want to remove it from your pan and drain it of all excess grease. Okay guys, once your meatballs are heated all the way through, we're going to remove them from our sauce we're just going to set them in a bowl. Now we're going to add our ground beef to our pasta sauce. What you want to do is mix it until it's well combined. And you want to keep your sauce on a very low heat, covered. Now to a pot of boiling water, you want to add just a pinch of salt, and we're going to begin to add in our spaghetti. We're going to cook it according to the instructions on the box, 8 to 9 minutes. Next, in a small saucepan, we're going to add in our butter. You want that to melt. You want your heat to be on medium-low. Butter has melted. We're going to add in our minced garlic, our Italian seasoning, and our parsley flakes. We're going to mix it until it's well combined. Now you want to have your heat on low, and we're just going to let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you want to turn your heat off, and you want to place your garlic butter into a bowl and set it to the. Now you want to set your oven to 400 degrees. So I have my garlic butter, and we're just going to brush all around on the inside. You have the inside covered in your garlic butter. We're going to go ahead and brush the outside of our bread. You want to place your bread onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now I'm going to take some mozzarella cheese, and I'm just going to put it at the bottom. Now you want to place it in your oven until all the cheese has melted and the bread is slightly toasted. Once your spaghetti is done cooking, you want to drain it of all the water. Now mix your spaghetti and the sauce together. Okay guys, now that your cheese is melted, we're just going to fill our bread up with our spaghetti. Now we're going to add our meatballs on top. Once you have your meatballs on top, we're going to take some more mozzarella cheese. We're just going to sprinkle it over top of them. Then we're going to add some parsley flakes. We're going to put it back in our oven until all the cheese has melted on top. Okay guys, so here's our spaghetti and meatball boat. This is a budget-friendly meal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet? it.